In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download Claude for Windows step by step so you can get the desktop app installed and sign in quickly without any confusion. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through every click so you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to claude.ai download. This is the official download page for Claude, so it's the safest place to get the Windows version of the app. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Download for Windows. Click that button to begin the download process. After you click it, your browser will start downloading the Claude Setup.exe file. Depending on your browser, the file may appear in the bottom left, top right, or in your downloads list. Once the download is complete, open your downloads folder and find the Claude Setup.exe file. Now double-click the file to run the installer. When you do this, Windows may ask you if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. If that prompt appears, click Yes to continue. After that, the installation will happen automatically. You do not need to manually choose folders or go through a complicated setup process. Claude will install in the background and finish on its own. Once the installation is complete, the Claude app should launch automatically. If it doesn't open right away, you can also find it in your Start menu and open it from there. When the app appears, you'll be asked to sign in. At this stage, you can sign in using either your email address or your Google account. Choose the option that is easiest for you, then follow the on-screen steps to complete the login. Once you're signed in, you'll have full access to Claude on Windows and can start using it right away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Claude for Windows and signed into the app. It only takes a few minutes, and now you're ready to use Claude on your desktop whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Claude tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.